now my head is looking a little bit ashy. Yes, it is. But what I'm about to do is about to go ahead and wash my hair, and we're gonna get right into it. Okay, y'all, so what I've done so far is I've washed my hair with the moisture retention shampoo from Shea Moistures. Twice, did this twice in my hair. I already told y'all before, I don't care about parabens. I don't care what else is in here. Oh, this one don't have none. Okay, well, I don't care about all this stuff. As long as it cleans my hair, I don't really care. It works for me, whatever. But I washed my hair twice with that. And what I did after that was use this, it's by Cream of Nature's. It's a pure honey mask, and it is amazing. This is something I'm trying new into my regimen, but thus far it has worked wonders for me. This is it right? Is it right? No, there it is. And y'all, it smells so good too. It smells just like honey. But yeah, I've sectioned my hair off into 4 sections into my little I don't know what you want to call them, my little Felicia plates. And combed it through with my fingers for the most part, and then used my wide tooth comb to get the rest of it out. I'll be honest with y'all, I ain't really combed my hair in like a week, and that's pretty much why I have oil bumps all up in here. But it's my fault, ain't y'all fault. But yeah, so I take it, rub it in my hands, and then I put it on my hair. I rub my fingers through it as much as I can. Like I said, y'all, I did not pre-poo. I didn't. I normally don't. I'm trying to give y'all raw and real. I ain't gonna sit up here and lie to y'all. I normally don't pre-poo. So yeah. But I put as much of this on my hair as I can and run my fingers through it as much as I can to get as many tangles as I can out of it before I run the comb through my hair. It's not that bad today. It's not that bad. But it kind of, doing it this way kind of keeps my hair from breaking. And I only get, you know, the shed hair in the comb for me to not comb my damn hair for a whole week. But I start from the bottom and go up. And 2-strand twist it all the way down to the bottom as far as I can go. I wasted no product because that stuff was like $8. Wasn't that bad, but after I do that, y'all, I take my handy dandy Walmart bag. Take my Walmart bag and I tie that down on my head because I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I'm not getting under the dryer today because I got time today, boo. Push the air out of it. Some of you may ask why I use a Walmart bag. Well, I go to Walmart a lot, as does anybody. Walmart, Kroger. Well, we ain't got no Kroger's. Walmart, Shoppers Value, all that other good stuff. Them good stores, Rouse's. You know, you go to those little stores and you got all these bags left over. So why not use them for something, you know, beneficial, like your hair? But yeah, I'm gonna leave this on my hair for about the next probably 40 minutes, and then I'll come back in. Alright, y'all, so I have washed the hair mask out of my hair, and I got a little string hanging. Hey, little string, how you doing? But anyway, yeah, I forgot to tell you guys that I don't dry my hair at all. I like all the moisture I can get. I've washed the hair mask out of my hair, and what I'm about to do now is show y'all how I do this wash and go. But anyway, let's roll, okay? Let's roll. I did not take my little plaits out because I didn't want my hair to tangle up. It does that sometimes and it gets on my damn nerves. But what I'm gonna be using first is my leave-in conditioner. I always use one. Never too much really use a moisturizer, I'm gonna be honest. But all the time I use As I Am leave-in conditioner. It's the bomb. .com. But what I'll do is take this loose. Dropping shit and wasting stuff. That was nice. But anyway, no product left behind. We're gonna take that right off that towel. But I use about that much per section. By that much per section, it's not that much. And rub it all through my hair. And then I take some olive oil. When I mean olive oil, I really mean like the stuff that you put in the pan prior to you cooking. That's what I use. Walmart, great value, extra virgin olive oil. And I take just enough, I don't know if I can show y'all this. I don't know. Like that much. Let me still my hand. And I rub that in. And that's just to lock in. I use the oil to lock in moisture. And then after that, I go in with, y'all, when I tell y'all this is my staple, like I've used this the whole 2 years that I've been natural, and the last year of me being natural, what, 3 or 4 years ago. It is Shea Moisture's Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Baby, let me see. Glory! Y'all, this stuff is amazing. Like, I really do love it. Now, I'm gonna tell you now, it's gonna leave a white sort of film in your hair until it dries. I take about that much. Actually, that's a little bit too much. Take about that much. Rub it in my hands. I don't know why I do that. I pretty much rub everything in my hands. And rub it through my hair. I like juicy curls. I like juicy wash and goes. I like juicy twist style. Like, I like juicy hair. Like, that's what I like. Just call me Juicy. Miss Juicy, baby. Ain't that how she be saying it? Ain't that how she be saying it? Alright, after I do that, I take Eco Styler Gel. Y'all have probably seen me say on Instagram, Eco Styler is my life. And I'm really not joking. A lot of people don't like to use Eco Styler Gel. Some people say it makes their hair crunchy. It's never really did that for me. Maybe because under that, I pretty much try to moisturize it as much as I can so that it won't be so crunchy. Granted, you're going to have a little hold to it. And that's what this is supposed to do. It's a gel. Like, it's supposed to, you know, hold your curls. But I take about that much. Do it like I do everything else. Rub it in my hand. I gotta warm everything up, y'all. I don't know. And I literally take that whole section and just run my hands through it. Now, I'm gonna tell y'all now, I love wash and goes on like the second day. And it's because I use my little concoction, my little wake up, my little refresher for my hair, and you know, it does the job. Don't worry about that right now. Y'all gonna see, we gonna get to it. We gonna get to it. Doing the same thing for this part. trick of the camera. I'm just kidding. What I do now, take a towel or something. Most times I put it on my face, but because I gotta show y'all this, I'm not gonna do it. I literally take my head and I do this. Woo. Let me shake. And like I told you, you'll have that white film against your hair, but it's gonna go away once your hair dries. What I do after this is style my hair and for the purpose of this video and because I'm about to go out okay, and for the purpose of this video and because I'm about to go out, I'm gonna go sit under the dryer for maybe like 15 or 20 minutes so that it can dry a little bit. I'm gonna come back and y'all gonna see the juiciness, okay? Alright y'all, I'm pretty much done. Only thing I really did off camera was take my pick and literally pick my hair from the roots, not lifting it too much but just lifting it up from the roots to give my hair just a little more volume than it already has. I stayed under the dryer for probably 15 minutes, not to dry it completely, but to give it enough of a dry so my hair wouldn't be dripping, soaking wet. I don't like to sit under the dryer because I feel as though the dryer literally pulls the moisture from your hair, and I think it's best to let your hair air dry. But because, you know, anyway, circumstances tonight, I had to sit under the dryer for a little while. But as you can see, like I promised y'all, this is what it is. Yes. Like I told y'all before, this is not the only way to do a wash and go. I have other methods that don't include Eco Styler Gel, that literally don't include my favorite styler, Shea Moisture. This is just one of my quick and easier ways to do it. There are, like I said, again, other methods to do this. This is going to be a series, so I am going to be showing you all the ways that I do my wash and goes and what works for me. I really hope that this could help somebody, or hope that this works for you guys. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.